Hi, I'm Tim Carter, co-founder of Stain Solver. You may be curious exactly how certified organic Stain Solver gets all of your water washable things clean. You start an immediate, safe, and simple chemical reaction when you add Stain Solver powder to warm or hot water. Billions of tiny oxygen bubbles are released. Look at how they fizz and move on their own in this tea-stained mug. These oxygen bubbles attack stains, mildew, mold, and dirt. The longer you allow the bubbles to work on their own, the less work you have to do to clean up any stains. Stain Solver is certified organic, it's color and fabric safe, and the two ingredients in Stain Solver are both made in the USA. If you've got questions about Stain Solver, go to the FAQ page at stainsolver.com or give us a call. Our phone number is at the bottom of every page of Stain Solver. Remember, Stain Solver is certified organic.